Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano energies ng inyong love life ngayong April 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga scammers and fake accounts. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, meron tayong website, mrqueenph.com, o kaya naman sa calendar ko. Link on the description or comment section, or email me mysticqueenph@gmail.com. So Libra, tingnan natin ano yung energies ng love life ng mga Libra ngayong April. Congratulations, you're the draw. Okay, baka maging dramatic yung love life ninyo, Libra. Maraming mga issues, or may mga emotions, high emotions sa relationship and connection. Congratulations, you've survived yourself so far. Okay. So, puro congratulations to, ha. Libra, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng kayo ay nakapag-heal na, no? Alam mo na kung ano yung dinideserve mo, alam mo yung hindi. So, some of you nag-let go na kayo ng mga bagay that is no longer serving you. Just because it's spiritual, it doesn't mean it's not toxic, okay? Yes. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nanggaling kayo sa isang toxic situation. Or minsan, baka, kayo yung nagiging toxic because of the drama sa relationship ninyo. So, some of you, pwedeng, minsan kasi, ina-associate natin or kinoconnect natin yung ating relationship, kung ano yung mangyayari base sa nararamdaman natin. Minsan, nagiging bias kasi tayo, di ba? Na yung pansarili natin, yung naiisip natin na baka kung ano yung gusto natin, yun dapat yung masusunod. Kaya lang, minsan yun na yung nagiging toxic sa relationship. So, some of you, yun yung nagiging realization ninyo. That's why you are surviving the drama. So, maaring yun na nga, natapos na yung drama na yan. Oh, you have the lovers. This is your connection, romantic connection. Pwedeng merong new person sa buhay ninyo. Or, yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong maayos na connection. Halimbawa, naging dramatic, naging chaotic, naging toxic yung relationship ninyo. But eventually, both of you realize na hindi yon makakabuti para sa relationship ninyo, and now you are moving on and you are moving forward. So, meron ditong naayos na problema. You also have the Two of Pentacles. So, I see this as, working things out with the relationship. Yun nga lang, pwede kasi rito na merong nagsasacrifice, no, sa relationship. It's either ikaw nagsasacrifice ka for the relationship, or yung person that you are dealing with na para lang ma-save itong connection na to. But, kung kayo naman seryoso sa relationship ninyo, ito naman merong magandang patutunguhan, no? Pwedeng mauwi ito sa seryosong connection. Open your heart to receive the abundant love the universe has to offer. O, diba? I-open mo ang sarili mo para sa abundance ng love. Ang abundance naman, hindi lang yan sa pera, resources, even the love, diba? So, mag-overflow ang love for you. Love is beautiful, is a beautiful journey, and you're on the right path. O, diba? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring, ayun nga, naayos nyo na yung relationship ninyo. You have learned from the mistakes, no? Mistakes mo, mistakes ng person mo. And now, you are celebrating your success. Savor your success and treat yourself to luxury. Ayun, at least, na-realize nyo kung ano yung dapat na gawin para itong relasyon nyo ay maging matagumpay. Diba? Breathe. The calmer you are, the more time slows down, and the easier it is to get everything done. Totoo naman. Mas kalmado ka ngayon. Kung dati laging mabilis ka mag-react, sensitive ka, kaya nga may drama lagi rito. Ah, ngayon, mas kontrolado mo na yung emosyon mo, hindi ka na agad nagre-react ng walang basehan, or mas gusto mo ngayon ng maayos na usapan, no? Para ma maano agad, masolusyonan kung ano man yung challenges or problema sa relationship nyo. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.